Storms headed there momentarily. They need to get out.
With Mike Vela and Jack Acosta. I'm like, guys, pack it up. I mean, get that live shot done. And all those vendors, please take cover. Please take cover now, because a lot of lightning is moving in your direction. It does not have to be raining for lightning to go from cloud to ground. We learn that all too often. When thunder roars, get indoors. If you can hear thunder, lightning can strike where you're standing. It does not have to be raining. Remember, a lot of lightning travels cloud to cloud. Let me show you this thunderstorm. Let's get to the radar, and I'll give you an idea of what we're dealing with. I mean, it is a huge developing and building storm that's mainly covering North Medina County, almost all of the eastern third, I would call it, of Bandera, and now a good portion of northwest Bexar County. Fredericksburg also under the gun with some very strong storms that have lifted north of Kerrville, who's getting a break, and now a flash flood warning for Bandera County, and that extends all the way over to Medina Lake. They're not worried about flooding in Medina Lake. I can promise you that. They need every bit of that rain there. So here's the setup. This storm I've been tracking since about 3:30 west of Uvalde is weakening. Okay, and I can show you why. Look, no hail showing up, a little bit of pea size right south of Highway 90. This is the hail situation right over Medina Lake and Lake Hills, Texas, in this huge cluster. So everybody in this polygon is under a severe thunderstorm warning right now, and that you can see with that amount of lightning what we're dealing with until 7 p.m. And it's going to be moving east at 15 miles per hour. So very slow moving means a lot of rain and probably some little bit of localized flooding in this spot. So again, it's going to affect about 30,000 people, as now it's starting to move into Helotes, Leon Valley, and far west San Antonio. So Travis Park, right in the heart of downtown. So when I track this, what you want to look for is San Antonio. Where you see San Antonio is where it's going to be hitting downtown, and that's at 6:57. So if you know someone that's at Fiesta or at the Carnival, they've got to stay put until at least 7:30, 8 o'clock and get this storm through. But it's going to be very slow moving. Might even be about 8:15 or 8:30 before this thing exits Bexar County. New Braunfels 8:16. So you can get an idea of when we do expect it to move into Comal County. Universal City 7:41. But Leon Valley, you know, you're getting some of these stronger thunderstorm, heaviest rain in about the next 5 minutes. All right, so this system breaks up a bit, but then the line comes in with the cold front later tonight. This is midnight, so we're expecting that to drop in. The good news is that we at least have this storm activity now kind of zapping the atmosphere a bit, so when the front arrives, maybe it won't be as strong, but it's going to be tight. All right, so 85 tomorrow. We will see clearing skies. It'll be a windy, sunny Friday. Most of these storms up until about 1 in the morning. Maybe 1:30. Then Saturday, beautiful day, low humidity, 82, breezy. Then the rain returns quickly. As early as Saturday night, late through most of Sunday, we might not get out of the 60s. 70s a long shot. 75 with a good chance of rain on Monday. Tuesday, warmer and still a very good chance of rain.